52-piece microscope. I will not be using this. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be tackling that monster behind me and cleaning it out. Basically, for the past year since I moved out and went to college, my family has been using this as just a storage closet, and the only clothes I kept at home were high school t-shirts. So I have about 20 high school t-shirts and like random things from around the house, along with all my clothes from college. I've also always brought my entire closet of the clothes I actually wear to college with me and fit it in our tiny college little closets. So we're gonna be taking everything out, decluttering, because I've literally never decluttered since middle school. And then we're gonna put things back in and just reorganize. We also have to go through my drawers. I have 2 drawers, or 3 drawers technically in my dresser for clothes. And it's gonna be a fun ride. Right over here. We shall go through this. This is how one side looks. I don't really know what's happening on the top. It's like piles of pants, and then all my other clothes are hanged, and half of these I don't wear, I can tell you right now. And then on this side is more like college clothes that I just got. I don't know whose blankets, but they are probably not staying here unless I have to keep them here. And then just like a bunch of memories, but also like, why do I have a sombrero? Like, we shall get started. I'm gonna start with the clothes, so we'll start off over here. One pile is things to keep. One pile is things for my family to look over, and then after they're done looking over it, whatever's left and whatever no one else wants, I'll donate.
Available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
I think we've reached the middle school part of my closet because
in New York, I'm in New York. I didn't in my socks, running from a up, and I shoot that up.
This shirt right here, this is my powder puff shirt. And I feel like it's something I'm supposed to keep because it's like a jersey, and like I never played any sports. This is the closest I got to having a sport. But if I'm being honest, I hated powder puff. So I don't want to keep this, but I also don't want to donate it. This doesn't spark joy. This sparks joy because it reminds me a lot of good memories. I'm going to keep this one because I want to keep something from that time period. And this one actually makes me really happy. 1 out of 2. I think that's okay.
And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm in New York. I didn't in my sock. I didn't in my sock. Said it every rock. In New York, I'm in New York. I didn't in my sock. This every rock. Running from the cop. Shooting at the ops. Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? Shooting at the ops. Cause I run that block. Give me top. In my drop top. I didn't hug on flop. When I drop. I didn't hug on flop. When I drop. I didn't hug on flop. When I drop.
This shirt is so funny to me. So I don't know whose shirt this is. It randomly showed up in my laundry one day. And so I thought, okay, it must be my roommate. So I asked my roommate, and she was like, it's not mine. And then I asked all the other people in my house, and they were like, yep, not ours. So then I went and asked my other friends, because sometimes I borrow clothes from them. So I was like, hey, I don't know when I borrowed this, but I'm sorry, here, you can have it back. And they were like, that's not ours. And so we all just kind of didn't know what to do with it, but I love this color. And it's an oversized shirt, and I love oversized shirts. So I just kind of kept it. If you're looking for this shirt, let me know. I really like it, so I might just keep it, but that's the story behind this shirt.
I didn't want cat. I didn't want bad. Fucking on your bitch. I'm a dad. All these niggas sound like cats. Sound like cat. I'm a soldier. Damn, I thought I told you. Shooting like a soldier. Like I'm from Manhattan.
So I bought this shirt before I went to college, thinking I'd get a lot of use of it in college, but I generally haven't because I didn't go out as much as I expected myself to before college started. Sorry, Simran. But I've worn this probably a total of 2 times. I wore it once to Sage the Gemini freshman year, and then a year later, almost like exactly a year later, to an alien party. Honestly, I'll keep it till Halloween. If I don't use it by Halloween, then that means I'm never gonna use it, because that's the only time period I can see myself using it, and then it goes bye-bye. Out of all like my basic tops, sweaters, jackets, and all those things, basically all the hanging things, this is the keeping pile. It's definitely bigger, but there it is. And that's the getting rid of pile. I think I did a decent job though, because all the stuff in here I generally know I don't wear, and all the stuff in here I really like, and there's stuff that I actually wear, so I think it'll work as long as I reorganize it so I can actually see the things I like easier. So I'm gonna leave this here, and we're gonna tackle all the things up there now. I don't know where I'm gonna put them, but I will find an angle and come back to you. So I decided to just take it out section by section and go through all my pants and then put them in the original piles over here based on keep or not, just like side by side, if that makes sense. So honestly, these piles have no function. Like, they're just random, so we're going to keep that in mind while we're going through it. I have 2 of these Adidas pants that I have not worn in so long. I used to want these so bad in high school, and I went out of my way to get them, but now I feel like I just don't wear them. I don't really care for them. I feel like my siblings would get better wear of them because I know they wear them all the time, and I also never did sports, so it never made sense for me to have these. So these are my favorite jeans from last year, but they're gone. Like, the rips have gotten so big and so out of control. My entire left leg is out, so I think I'm just gonna maybe like DIY with these, but I'm not gonna put these back in my closet because they're not wearable, and that's for sure. Now moving on to the things down here. We have over here, there's just this, what is this? Okay, this is blank, which means it can go in the garage because that's where we keep the blank poster board things. So I'm gonna put that there. And then I have this old painting I did. I'm gonna keep that here just because I feel like it doesn't really go anywhere else. I have a 52-piece microscope. I will not be using this. Yeah, this is just not for me. Okay, I'm just gonna take this out and ask my family as to why they put that in there. Both of these boxes over here are my memory boxes. I will not be going through them because I've already gone through them. So I'm just gonna add this, and also I've never ironed my clothes and I'm not gonna, so I'm gonna take this out. It's looking so empty now, literally. It's so empty, but we're gonna fill it up with clothes after we go through my drawers. Also, that's my laundry basket. We're not gonna go through that because I know I wear that stuff because I've worn it in the past week, but wow. Bro, the top 2 drawers are so full. And look at the bottom drawer. There's literally just some bed sheets and like old books. Like, what? So since my top 2 drawers are clearly not organized at all, I'm just gonna take everything out and we're gonna see what we keep, what we don't keep, and just everything that's happening here.
Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Yeah, going ain't like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Ooh, bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday. Yeah, ratchet bit on the runway. Ooh, throw that money on the runway. Yeah.
officially done. I'm honestly so proud. I'll take you through what I did. So on this side, I kept the blanket because I realized I don't even, like, it's fine. Then over here in the corner, I have my jackets, and then I have extra hangers in the back, so all my jackets are here. Then I have this when I moved in my college room, and it's actually so helpful. So on the top two, I have my belts. These two, I have tank tops. This, I have my one skirt, because I literally only own one skirt. All my shorts that are, like, athletic shorts. My favorite purse, the jeans that I want to DIY, another pair of jeans that I don't really like that much, and then a pillowcase. So like this is great. And then over here, I use my space saving hangers from college, and I put all my like basic oversized tees that I sleep in, because I do like hanging on my t-shirts. So I just hang them all, and I can still wear these out. Like some of these are pretty cute, like I could wear it out, but it's just like, if it's oversized tee that's mainly graphic, mainly for sleeping, it's all here. And then over there, I just have my jean shorts. They're in the back because it's not summer right now, so I'm not gonna really be wearing them that much. And then on the bottom, I still have my memory boxes. I did not move those. And then I have on the top corner over there, all my jeans, and then my skinny jeans on the bottom, and my most worn jeans on the top. Then I have comfy pants. It's empty right now because all my comfy pants are in the laundry because I've been wearing them a lot being home. And then I have pajama pants. And then I have here, I use these space saving hangers that I bought. I got these thinking they were like my other ones, but they're really bulky and I'm not a big fan, so I use them kind of as separators of different sections. So first one is separating rompers and dresses from sweaters. These are all like my nice thick sweaters that are like warm enough for me to wear on their own. This is all my long sleeve t-shirts, my turtlenecks, my like, yeah, basically any long sleeve of any sort, including my off the shoulder shirts. I thought I was gonna get rid of these in this video, but I honestly wear them a lot, and I realized that when I was sorting through everything. So, and then all my like going out, like more cropped, like fitted t-shirts go here. But yeah, basically if I'm getting ready to like for the day, I would go to this side, versus if I'm getting ready to go to sleep, I'd go to this side. That's kind of like my idea. Does that make sense? I don't know. So that's how I rearrange my closet. I have such a fat pile of things I'm getting rid of, and it makes me feel so good because I know that all those clothes would be so much more loved in someone else's closet, and they aren't here. So yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if it inspired you to maybe, ow, I like slapped myself. Why did I do that? Yeah, if you guys like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in another one. Bye bye.